This was not a good idea.
Oh, well, it sounded like a good idea when we thought of it.
It did sound like quite a good idea at the time.
Guys, let us explain. We booked an Airbnb near a ski slope in Tahoe for the month of April. Because, as you guys said, we need to get reps in on ski slopes if we're going to become good skiers. But there was a snowstorm due before our Airbnb rental started. And so we thought, let's just drive up there, spend the night in the car, maybe even 2 nights, and get some powder skiing in. Because everybody always talks about powder skiing, it's so great.
I know, everyone always makes me feel so stoked about powder.
Skiers are always so psyched about powder. We're like, well, this is the day that it's real powder because it's snowing. It was snowing yesterday, snowing today, maybe snowing tomorrow. So we drove up here before the snow got too bad, found a nice parking spot just off the 50, very near where the ski slope is and near where our Airbnb is going to be. So we're like, this is ideal.
Seemed fine.
We'll just sleep in the car. We've got a little car heater with the Jackery. But guys, this snow, it started and it has not stopped.
It won't stop.
The snow is so bad that they just canceled the ski. The ski area is not open.
Plan fail.
There's too much snow and maybe wind also.
I think,
Too much snow and wind for the ski area. So we are now in this car. I'm about to go outside and just see how buried we are.
Yeah.
I think we're buried.
It hasn't stopped. It was supposed to be like 40 to 50% throughout the night, and it's been, what, like 100% the whole time.
I mean, I got out to use the facilities a few hours ago, and I was knee deep in the snow.
Oh my God, this is gonna be so good.
I couldn't see very much because it was dark, but now it's light, and we're just gonna see what we're looking at here.
Oh no, I'm scared.
It's the moment of truth.
Oh no.
Let's see how bad we're. Oh my
no.
God.
Oh no.
Oh wow. Okay.
How bad is it?
Okay. Well, the door won't open all the way because the snow's to the door level. Whoa. Okay. 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 Whoa. Whoa.
You okay?
Yeah. Wow. All right, Elise.
Yikes. Yikes. Whoa.
Whoa.
Whoa. Wait. Whoa. What are we? Whoa. You guys, I mean, this is, how deep is it?
We can see from the top of the car. Oh. Let's see. A foot maybe?
A foot?
A foot? Oh my God.
Are we just gonna stay
Snow
here?
is still just
I guess we're
blazing.
just gonna stay here for the day, right? Until...
Well, yeah, the ski slope's not open. What else are we gonna do?
We're just gonna like read in the car. This is the most epic
And hope
fail.
the slopes will be open tomorrow.
Maybe they will though.
Well, the forecast said it's... the forecast was not for this much snow.
Am I wishful thinking?
No, the forecast said it should be okay tomorrow.
I thought people love, like, this is a skier's dream.
I know, look at
isn't
this
it?
powder, guys. We thought this was the dream, but the slopes are not open.
Are you gonna shovel this away?
I'm gonna shovel it all away.
Pretty insane. I mean, it's kind of exciting.
It is kind of exciting.
I'm sure people are gonna have a lot to say to us.
Are they gonna be like, you guys are such idiots?
Safety
Like your
police
car
coming
could
at
completely
ya.
bury. Oh no.
Be prepared.
Shall we see how deep this snow is?
Yeah. Ooh!
All right, so from there to there.
Yeah,
That's at least a foot, right?
yeah.
Wow. Oh my God. Oh no, it was more than, it's more, look.
Oh,
you guys.
it's more.
It's more than a foot, because I was just going down to like the icy part, I think. I think this is more than a foot. Here, hold on. There's the hood. There's the hood there, so it's this, whatever this is. That's a lot of snow.
It's a lot of snow. I can't believe how much it's still coming down though. That's what's crazy.
Well, I think we're gonna have the same exact thing tomorrow morning.
Adam sent me inside to get the heater going, warm this place up for him.
I think a bunch of the snow I knocked off the roof went down like...
I think that's insane how much is still coming down.
It's coming down so hard and fast.
Come
Oh my
on,
God.
come get warm.
Oh my God, there's so much snow in the car now.
I will warm you.
Jesus.
Yeah, our car is gonna be so jacked up from all the snow.
Oh my God.
Come. How do you feel?
I feel frozen.
I know.
Oh my God, that was so cold.
Put your hands next to the heater. It
Oh,
really
I'm going
helps.
to,
Slip.
yes.
Ah, so warm.
Oh, that feels so good.
So warm.
Oh.
The little things in life.
You know what? Thank
What?
goodness we thought to bring the heater.
I know.
Otherwise, we'd be running our engine to stay warm in here.
That wouldn't be good. Our battery would go out.
No, we would run the engine. The battery doesn't go when we run the engine.
I don't know. My brain is all snow brain.
We might run out of gas though.
That's what I meant. It's not good.
Well, we do have a full tank, so we're good there.
Yeah. All right. What's next?
I don't know. What are we gonna do? Like read books?
I think we're just reading books. I thought my idea to go into town was genius, but I
Well, I did see a snowplow on the road,
yeah.
but there's been like no cars going by. So I don't know if do you think they blocked maybe they're not letting cars even go by?
No, there were some cars going by.
You saw a car?
Mm-hmm.
I saw a snowplow. Well, you know, we do have the Subaru, we have 4-wheel drive. But if we're gonna go into town, we're gonna have to dig ourselves out.
Yeah, let's warm up for a little bit.
Oh, for sure.
Let's maybe just like read.
Just getting the snow off the car and frozen.
Let's maybe read, get a snack,
Yeah.
and regroup.
Okay. Guys, look how cold it gets when we don't have the heater on.
I've always thought that was so cool. Wasn't that your favorite thing when you were a kid?
It's pretty cool. You know what it reminds me of? We've been watching 1923, and they just had an episode where this like yuppie British couple in 1923 had this like old car, and they were trying to drive through like Wyoming, and they froze to death in their car.
That is not going to be us. That's not what we need to be thinking
It's
about.
definitely
right
not going to be
now.
us. No, we're fine. We're fine. We got a full tank of gas. We got a jackery. We got heat. We're good.
We're fine.
But we are buried. Look at this.
It's wild. It's a wild adventure. Live hard, love hard.
Ski hard.
Ski hard or not at all.
It's literally only like 5 hours after the last time I cleaned this car off. Look at this. Look at all this snow. It's got to be another 6 inches in 5 hours. It's freaking insane. Elise! Elise!
What?
You want to see this? You don't have to.
Oh,
You just want to stay in there?
oh, I want to see. I thought we were having a break in the snow.
There is no break.
Oh
The snow is not stopped.
no.
Look at this. I took all the snow off this thing.
It looks like exactly when we came out the last time.
No, it was more the last time, but still. In 5 hours,
God.
that's a lot of snow.
What on earth?
It's like an inch an hour, so we're getting like 2 feet a day. But I'm getting my exercise shoveling the snow.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try to dig out the front of the car so we can get out tomorrow. This is gonna be the last time I do this. I'm not getting out of the car
And then
again.
you just want to like post up inside for the rest
Yeah,
of the night.
yeah.
Just get out.
Yeah, I'm just gonna dig out the car and that'll be that.
Look at this. We just like shoveled all of this. How? How?
I swear to God, I feel like I'm on a prank show.
What's the prank?
You know, like how they'll take someone's car apart and put it back together in their dorm room or something?
Yeah.
I feel like, you know, we like fell asleep in our car and then someone just buried it in
Somebody
snow.
buried it in snow,
You
yeah.
can't even see the car.
Like the snow elves came overnight and we're like,
not even, okay, overnight, maybe I
suckers.
can understand. This is only 5 hours from when I last cleaned the car off.
it is absolute carnage.
Carnage.
How is this only a few hours? Like,
I can't believe
it's
it.
not even believable. Fake
Tires
news.
are-
Oh, what are we gonna do in the morning?
I'm just gonna come out of the car and dig it out. Dig out a way down to the road. The ski slope doesn't open till 9. I'm sure we'll wake up at like 4 in the morning.
Probably.
As soon as it's light, I'll just start digging us out.
Are you doing okay? Do you want me to take a turn?
No.
You're not getting too tired? Is this your workout for the day?
Yeah, well,
Because we bailed on going into town.
we can't, I mean, all we've done is sit in the car. All we've done all day, all night. 36 hours in the car, so probably good I'm getting some exercise. But geez Louise.
I bet I know what Adam wants. Snacks.
I most definitely want snacks. After all that shoveling, that was actually a pretty good exercise.
This is not going to be a gourmet food day for us.
Oh no, you didn't tell me I had snow over my hat.
How did you not know you didn't?
I don't know, I forgot about my hat.
Oh my god. I was definitely planning on eating some barbecue at the ski resort.
I know, we thought that was going to be our big meal for the day.
A Belvita blueberry cookie with, at least we have all of the peanut butter. This is basically full.
We could be buried for a week and we could live on that peanut butter.
Do you think so? How many calories is in this?
We have enough water, but honestly, I'm not trying to drink water because I just don't want to have to go out and go to the bathroom.
Die of dehydration.
I don't care. I would rather do that than have to get out and go to the bathroom. And that's,
opened everything for you. Have a cookie.
You. Oh, jeez.
Oh, don't break the cookie.
Hold on.
These cookies are really good, by the way.
I know, but the peanut butter's a little stiff because it's cold.
I don't really like it.
Although it's honestly not that cold in here. It's pretty good.
It's pretty cozy.
That's pretty good.
This cookie is so good.
Blueberry cookie and peanut butter is a good mix.
Oh, really? Oh, kind of like peanut butter jelly.
It's like peanut butter and jelly.
Look at that.
Yum. Well, in case you guys wonder what we do when stuck in the car for 36 hours, I bet you could guess. I'm reading a novel on my note. Guess what kind of novel?
Oh, no.
An assassin novel.
Of course. We should start giving out prizes to people if they can properly guess.
Annalise, what are you doing?
I'm actually editing our last video from Hawaii.
Let's take a look. Okay. What do we got?
Look, doesn't it look just like so... Well, let me show you what I've been staring at as I'm stuck inside this cold car in a snowstorm. Look at this footage. How just beautiful and sunny does that look?
Oh my God.
Right?
Guys, I'm not gonna lie. Editing this video is making me miss Hawaii a little bit.
A little bit.
I think, honestly, if tomorrow we can get out onto some beautiful, sunny, powdery slopes, it'll be totally different. Definitely. But right now, we've been in this car for 36 hours. Or we will have been. We've been in the car for 24 hours. Yeah. Soon it'll be 36. We're just going to go to bed after
I think it'll be totally worth it if we can ski in the morning. And it's looking like I checked the resort's Instagram, and they are like really going all in trying to get the slopes open for tomorrow.
Are they?
Yeah.
Okay, guys. So next time you see us, hopefully we will be digging out early in the morning and driving to ski about 3.5 feet of new powder.
Oh my God. So excited. I hope it works out. Fingers crossed. In the meantime, we'll just look longingly at the Hawaii footage and pretend that we're there in the warmth.
We just let guys.
Another morning in paradise. Adam currently scraping down the windows. He's been out there for a long time. He's feeling very motivated. There we go.
Hey.
How is it out there?
Well, it's still snowing a little bit, but it's a lot better. And the ski slopes are open. Woohoo! So I am just digging us the heck out of here.
Yes.
And we're going to get on our horse and get up to that ski slopes for the time the lift's open. Woohoo! Just about an hour of digging to go.
Oh, okay. Casual.
You're going to help me unbury this car for the 3rd time?
I don't know. It looks kind of cute like this. I kind of like its whole ensemble right now. Yeah, we got to do this. I want to get on those dang slopes. I can't believe we shoveled this bad boy 3 times yesterday, and it's still this much snow.
But I mean, think how much snow that means for the slopes. It's gonna be 3 feet.
3 feet, right? Yeah.
Think if I hadn't scraped this 3 times yesterday, it would be like 3 or 4 feet of snow compacting
Well, we would
down.
have been buried alive.
Yeah, we would have. You're right. Actually, that's true. We wouldn't have been able to get out the door.
Yeah.
That would have been scary. What do you do? I guess you roll down the window. And
you don't be stupid and you shovel while you're in the snowstorm. That's what you do. Guys, this snow is just relentless. Absolutely relentless. This is 100% snow. No sun.
The forecast said 9% chance of snow this morning. This is just...
It's not 9%.
It's a friggin' blizzard like it's been for the last 36 hours. Oh my God, I hope they don't close the slopes again.
No, they can't.
I don't think they will.
I think they really want people out skiing in
Of course they do.
Make their money.
But snow, it's time to be done. You can
Snow,
stop. You
hear
can stop.
us, snow gods.
It's been like 3 or
El
4 feet.
Nieve! Hear me roar!
Well, we made it onto the ski lift. That's half the battle.
Woohoo! First day of lift passing.
God, you guys, look at all this fresh powder.
Look at this. How freaking stunning is this?
Oh my God.
Woo! We got our skis. We got our stoke.
We made it out of being buried in the snow, and this is going to be our first day ever of skiing in fresh, deep powder.
Howdy! Woohoo! This feels awesome!
Get that powder! Whoa, you almost made it! It's harder to turn the powder.
Howdy!
Yeah, Lise.
Woo!
Yeah, nice, Lise.
Woo! Howdy, baby! Woohoo!
Feels so good.
It's like freedom, man.
It's like freedom. It feels so good.